Welcome to Convenience Talk. My name is Melanie, and today's topic is how to search for C-store owners using Kansas's UST database. So first I wanted to start with showing you a resource. This is a blog post on Convenience Talk. And if you navigate down the page, you'll see a list organized by state, and these are the databases, the UST databases. So if we go down to Kansas, and we click on this link, we will end up on this page. And then I went to USTs by district, and then you'll see the permitted USTs. And that page, when I brought up, I think it's the southeastern district, you can see there's really basic information, and you can see Casey's General Store here, and then you can see Casey's Retail Company. So there's really not a lot of contact information, but it'll give you an idea of who owns C-stores. That's it for Kansas. My name is Melanie. Thank you for watching this video.